Alright, you guys, so we just checked out of our Airbnb and grabbed some coffee at ZUS Coffee. I always want to say sus, like sus. We're about to catch a grab to the bus station and then go back to Kuala Lumpur for 2 days. Oh my god, okay, we finally made it onto the bus. We literally almost missed it. So get this, we get there, we go down to level 1, and then we're told, oh, it's all closed off in this area, so you have to go back in the elevator, go up, and then walk over to the other side. There's an escalator we're about to get on, but then they wouldn't let us get on because we had a wheelchair. What the heck? So we took the elevator, we went up, and then there was a checkpoint where we had to show our ticket. So we had our tickets purchased through an app called RedBus, and then I showed them my receipt and the ticket on there, and they said, oh no, even though you bought the ticket, you have to go to the front counter, show them that you paid, and then they print a ticket out. So mind you, all this, we like literally almost missed the bus. We like finally got to the bus station. We were the last ones on, threw our stuff under, but we made it.
It's Amazing Race Penang version.
Amazing Race Penang version. But yeah, there's not too many people here. I think maybe like 10. It's about a 5-hour drive. It is now 12:31 p.m. and it is Friday. So Joanna and I used an app called RedBus to purchase the tickets for this bus trip. RedBus has 3,500 bus operators across the countries of India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Peru, and Colombia. So these tickets cost us about $9.50 each, which is about 80 ringgit total.
You know, like it's so like carrying a baby on the bike, you know,
yes.
taking the kids from the school.
5 people.
Oh my goodness! Oh, why do we like wow? Whoa. Even our law, our studies, it's all British.
It's all British
Oh.
system, right?
And this is where we are staying. Scarletz. Oh, my back. Gotta have the washer. That is a must. Filtered water, always good. Might not be using this. Dinner table. Iron, blow dryer, ironing board.
Me.
Joanna. Got a fridge. Oh, look at this bed. They always provide a rose in like a glass thing. TV. And then the view. City view, city view. So the Airbnb that we're staying at now, it's right next to the Petronas Towers. And I forgot the name of the mall, but the mall right under the Petronas Towers that it's kind of connected to, there's a tunnel that leads to another mall. So this tunnel that way, that's a mall. And then it's literally a tunnel that connects 2 malls that goes under the street. So it's a mall connected to another mall via an underground tunnel. And one of the things about Kuala Lumpur is there is a crap load of malls, like a ridiculous amount. I think there might be like 70 or something like that. But yeah, we're about to go to H&M. Well, last time we were here, none of this was here like at all. So many new things. But yeah, they extended this sign. This used to be a lot shorter like a year ago, and they extended it quite a bit. And then the Mixu down there is new. And a lot of these stores are new too. I think Joanna went to this shop to look around. I think she's looking for some souvenirs. I think maybe for some friends back in Da Nang in Vietnam. There she is, shopping. Order Mixu. Hello. Are you able to do no sugar for the lemonade or not?
No, I'm sorry, finish lemon.
Oh, finished lemonade?
All lemon.
Oh, wow. Okay. You saw the brown sugar bubble tea? Okay, just one.
Do you have 50 cents?
Let me see. I think I may. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, Joanna was looking for the no lemonade with no sugar, but they don't have it. They're actually sold out of the lemonade. And I ordered the brown sugar bubble tea.
112, please take the meal.
Brown sugar bubble tea. So, they were sold out of the lemonade. They had no more lemonade. Joanna's sad there was no lemonade.
It's a perfect shot here.
Oh wow. Yeah. So now when it comes to the street food and stuff like that, or the food in general, it's pretty affordable. You could get stuff for like 1 to 2 USD, which I think is like what, 3 ringgit is a dollar? 4.5 ringgit per dollar. So yeah, you could get some pretty cheap food for sure. The accommodations here, I mean, at least to Joanna and I, it's pretty affordable. Obviously, it's not Vietnam, but in general, if you can make it out here, yeah, definitely I would suggest coming to KL and also catching the train or bus to Penang. And on the way to Penang, there's actually another town called Ipoh, right? Is that how you say it? Ipoh, and that's actually a historic, like everything there. It's like, kind of like a historic town or whatnot. All right, well, that's going to do it for this vlog today, you guys. The next couple of vlogs, we're going to have a lot going on, so stay tuned for that.